Surprise! A whole horn has rising in the head of man. If you hit someone on the head, you hit the head once more. Fearing this, the horn does not grow after that. Although there is no scientific explanation for this, this belief has been prevalent in the society for a long time. This time, whether it actually happened, one person did not get hit in the head, but got hit in the head and a whole horn grew. Shamlal Yadav, 64 age, is a resident of Rahli village in Sagar district of Madhya Pradesh in India. He suffered a serious head injury a few years ago. Then the front part of the head becomes swollen, and then a lump like a lion grows there. As time goes on, that horn keeps getting higher. At first, Shamlal Babu was quite surprised to see this strange thing on the palm of his head, but later the matter became normal to him. He has also tried to cut it himself many times. As the size of the lion gradually increased, a fold of ori fell on Shamlal's forehead. In the end, he decided to consult a doctor. However, the doctors could not figure out at first how this object appeared in the head. However, after the test, he said it is actually a Sibeco's horn, also known as the devil's horn, the part of the body that gets the most sunlight. It usually grows there. It appeared shortly after this head was hit. However, this is a very rare occurrence. They said it could be surgically removed. Namlal Singh recently got out of Shamlal's head after undergoing surgery at a hospital in Sagar district following the advice of doctors. The doctor said that X-ray showed that the roots did not reach the very inside of the head. That is why surgery has been possible. Bay BMW by Quains. BMW is the dream of many people. You have to own a lot of money to get it yourself. But surprising things have happened around this BMW. A Chinese businessman bought BMW with that money by saving coins. According to local media reports, the businessman had been depositing Chinese currency yen coin for the past few years. Then boxed the coins and goes straight to the store. Bought a brand new BMW for 45,000 pounds. Sales manager of a store in Fujian province, China, Zhu said he is a wholesaler. He insisted that we pay the first installment in coins after purchasing the car, again every 5 yen coin. However, he has been depositing those coins for a long time. In all, it will be 60,000 yen. He paid the first installment of the car at the end of 6,954 pounds with this coin. It is easy to kill mosquitoes, but it is so difficult to kill flies. Mosquitoes die in one fell swoop. Surely you know that, but the problem is with the fly. As easy as it is to kill mosquitoes, the exact opposite happens when it comes to killing flies. Many people have questions about this. Let's find out the secret of not being able to kill flies easily. The real secret is in the eyes of the fly. But how? Our eyes send 60 still images to our brain every second. Then the brain combines them and shows us the moving world. But a fly's eye sends 250 flashes or pictures to its brain every second. When the fly's brain makes them move, it actually sees everything much slower than we do, which we call slow motion. When we go to kill a fly, we attack the fly in less than a second. This task seems much faster to us now that we see 60 frames per second, but to the fly, this works of ours means that it seems very slow to jump towards it. So long before we hit the flies, they can fly away.